This terrifying side of flood has been a phenomenon in many countries of the world. And only recently, a number of states in northern Nigeria have been ravaged by rising flood waters. It has also rendered many persons homeless, with the authorities urging people at riverbanks to go to higher ground in many cases. Not even the Nigerian capital city Abuja is free from recent flooding, which many blame largely on climate change. But these youth from the Global Initiative for Food and Ecosystem Preservation think they have a solution to the natural disasters.
The science is clear. We have the momentum, the technology for energy transition, and we demand bold actions now. We are at a tipping point. What we have seen in the last 20 years of governments leading climate negotiations, even with scientists pressing for urgency, hasn't been nearly enough. With climate impacts escalating, it's becoming at a time when we don't have the luxury of time to wait and see what all the bureaucratic negotiations have to offer. Gentlemen, climate change is the #1 problem the world is facing today. And we in Nigeria are not left out.
Nigeria's roadmap on transition to renewable energy. A panel of discussion on religion, climate change, and conflict. Panel discussion on the roles, development partners, and examples of key interventions.
September is when the United Nations suggests that groups engage in serious actions on the effects of climate change. Emmanuel Bagudu, PTV News, Abuja.